Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this demonstration, I'm gonna show you how to use VEGAS Pro version 20.0. This video for new video editing beginners, and let's start. When you open the Sony VEGAS Pro, you will get this module like this, okay? And I'm going to create a new project. This is 16 into 9 for TV and YouTube frame. The second one is 9 into 16 phone and tablets. So first we can create a new 16 into 9, okay, and I'm gonna create a project. Click on open and select the video and open again. Once you import the video from the folder, the video and the audio is all together. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna replace the sound. You have to press on the keyboard U. Now the video and the audio is separated to different track, okay. Now here you can see, and the other options, you can make it as a short video. You simply drag at the end of the clip, then the video will become short, okay. Or else you have other options. You can simply right click and select split. There is a shortcut S, split the video track to different clip will be there. All right, so and also I'm going to replace the sound. Right click and simply delete. The audio track is deleted and the video is separated, okay. Now I'm gonna go import music. Click on open and select your favorite music and adjust the position from the beginning the video. And here you can see the music track is added on this bike racing video. Click on play. Now we have successfully added the music and the video track. And I'm gonna go how to save this project and click on save and type the project name. I just type test video and save as type. File extension is VEG and click on save. And if you want any text on this screen, you can simply select over the media generator, then click on tiles and text. More templates is available, that the animated text and the plain text. So I'm gonna go that default one. Right click on the track and add a new video track, okay. And then you can simply drag the text, okay, sample text. This is the without animated text. I just type simply tech glob, okay. Then if you want to change the color, you can click on any random. I'm selecting that. There is a text, more font is available over here, so I'm gonna go Times New Roman. You can adjust the text size, and on the screen there is options. You can simply drag anywhere. I'm just adjusting that size over there. All right, and this is plain text, and I need only few seconds for showing that text. If you want, you can simply click on drag until the video ends. Here you can see that from the beginning. I'm gonna start this. All right, and this video file I'm going to render. Click on file, click on render as, and there is a options, the Magic's AVC MP4. You can select. This is internet HD 1080i 60 frame per second, okay. This is best quality. Otherwise you can customize your templates and edit the name, then you can save that templates. That I will show you in the next section. And I'm going to click on save. Before that, there is a icon yellow color. You need to seek until the video end. Okay, make sure that video complete covered that yellow is called loop region. Then after, I'm gonna click file and select render as Magix AVZ and click on Internet HD 1080i 60 frame per second. Then this is the folder location. If you want any other particular area, click on browse and choose wherever you want to save that file, on the desktop or anywhere, and enter your file name, and the file extension is MB4, and click on render. Now as you can see, the video is going to save. And dear all viewers, this is short time video, so you need to learn more and more in the Sony VEGAS Pro. So step by step we can follow the settings. Very soon we will post on next sections, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel.